Urinary tract infections are probably the most single common reason why I'm seeing cats in my practice and why many of you are bringing your cats in to see your veterinarian. But there's a whole number of things that you can do. We don't have the time in this video to go into the whole host and all the multitude of reasons why we're seeing urinary tract problems in cats. I just want to talk about 3 real common things you can potentially be doing now to make your cat be feeling more comfortable. First, if your cat is having real difficulty urinating, they're specifically a male cat, we're concerned with them being obstructed. You don't want to be doing this at home. You want to be having them examined by your veterinarian emergency clinic immediately. But if we're going into the assumption that one, they're still passing urine, we're seeing urine passing, they're not completely obstructed, then there is some things that you, as a concerned cat owner, can be doing to help make your cat feel better. The first thing you should be using for urinary tract problems with your cat is vitamin C. You may never have thought of it. Pretty typically it comes in some pretty big, difficult, chewable tablets for cats, but it's also available in a liquid form. So here's the liquid vitamin C again, and we just need a really small dose for a cat. We're dealing with 100 milligrams for your standard 10-pound cat, given once a day. And what I want to do here is do a little sample with Mischief just to show that you can give it to your cat. Here's our faithful Mischief, who's going to show you how she'll take vitamin C. No. So you can do it. The second very safe natural remedy that you can be using for your cat who has a urinary tract infection is a homeopathic. There's one called Cantharis, very safe. Specifically effective when you've got a really inflamed, irritated bladder. You want to give your cat some relief. I mean, the other really good thing about it, it's not going to do any harm. And what I want to show you here's a sample. It's difficult to read it, but there it is. It's Cantharis. Just available just about every natural health food store. And what I'd be doing, I would be giving Mischief, most cats, 2 of the 30 C capsules. Here it is. She saw me coming. Here's 2 of them. I just plop them into her mouth. And encourage her to swallow. I'll be giving her 2 of those 30 C capsules 3 to 4 times a day when she had a really irritated bladder. The last remedy I want to talk to you about is a herbal combination. Here's one called Harmony. The 3 specific herbs I want you to look for is hydrangea, stone root, and gravel. And you'll be getting this as a capsule form in all likelihood. And as you can see here, maybe it's difficult for you to see, but these are pretty big capsules. And they're not ones you're going to easily get down your cat. But then what I would do is dissolve that capsule in some water, which I've done over here for you. Here it is, just mixed up. And a pretty typical dose, 0.2 of a ml per 5 pounds. So for Mischief, she'd get about half a ml, not very much of it. There it is here, half a ml twice a day. I've already given her 2 things, so I'll give her a rest today. But I'd be doing that somewhere between 5 to 7 days.